Good morning. My name is Doris. I was trafficked to Italy 2005, and they asked me to behave like a 12 years old girl. So I scraped my head and I used the 12-year-old document to travel to Italy. So when I got there, they feed me for 1 week and told me that asked me if I know what I've come to do. I said no. Then I said okay, that there's a woman that came in. They told me to follow that woman. When I went there, the woman said I think they have told me what I've come to do. I said no, fine. He now said I will dress like this. He gave me short skirts, boots, and other things that I will walk, and the way I will talk to man if I get there. So I refused to do the work, to do the prostitute work. So she now said maybe she called the woman, I don't know. But I stayed inside for 4 days. After 4 days, they sold me to another woman. So the woman now said, okay, now I have to cut my finger, my hair, the hair all over my body, and my finger, all my fingers, and my blood, so that in case I refuse to do the work or I run away, they will use me. They will use those the items they collect from me. They will use to make me mad or die. So I'm just scared. I have to do the work. Then I did it and I paid. They asked me to pay 40,000 euro, but then I paid 21,000. Before the woman asked, okay, I've tried, I should go. But before then, when I'm walking, there's a place I always stand. There's a man, Ambania. Then I was 8 months in Italy. I don't know how they speak Italy. So he asked me to leave the portion that I'm standing. But I said no, I can't carry it because I do not know what he's saying. He said I should leave here. I said no. He now dropped the car, ran to me and give me a blow. I never knew there was a cutlass, a knife in his hand. Then he used it and marked me here. So they rushed me. Then I stand. There's an old man that always come and said, what is this in your body that I should check my face? And I touch it like this. Then I see that my hand slipped. It was blood. The man said I should run into his car. He took me to hospital. By my getting there, I don't even know when I get there. They only called me and asked me about who bring me to Italy or who am I staying with. And I give them my auntie number. That is my auntie. They now called my auntie. It's my auntie that now